What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't done a Lexus POV in a minute, so here we are. Let me just give you a rundown of today's plans. I'm heading over to my friend's job right now. He has my head mount for the GoPros. I'm going to be doing some filming today. I'm linking up with one of my friends. He has an HRZ, and I want to pick up my head mount so I can do some POV in his car. And I actually want to race his car. I just want to see where the Lexus is power-wise. Damn, it's raining right now, so hopefully the weather's on our side. There's a couple of things that I haven't addressed on the Lexus. The whole exhaust rattle thing I was battling, basically I fixed it. I was just, messing with the exhaust, and I kind of like wedged it into a position where it just doesn't move anymore, so that solved that issue. I don't have to pay a welder anymore, which is, I save money, that's good. And then also, I caught a flat tire the other day. My tire blew out. I was driving on the highway, so I'm just happy I'm okay. But I have a spare on right now. After I get my head mount, I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna head to my local tire shop and just get a new tire on the wheel. Come on, bro. Oh my God. Friggin' driving behind grandmas over here. That's the problem with Florida drivers. They're way too old. Yeah, it definitely rained. The rain is slowing down though, which is good for us. But do me a favor while you're here. Just go ahead and like the video for me. Drop a comment down below if you support the channel. You guys can talk to me about whatever. I respond to everybody. And if you aren't subscribed, just please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I'm almost at 300 subs. I'm trying to get to 1K. That's the goal. So just keep supporting me, guys, and it just means the world to me. So yeah. All right, boys, we're at a local shop. I'm not sure what the shop name is called, but my mom told me to go here, so they're just gonna slap on a used tire just temporarily until I get a new set. So what is up, guys? Right now we've made it to Venice Beach. If you're local to Florida, you know where this is. And the Lexus is here. Let me just show you guys the new wheel. We can go hooning tonight if it rains, and we can do some racing. So right now all I'm doing is I'm waiting for this dude to get here. He said he'd be here in like 15 minutes, so hopefully he's here. And yeah, we can get some content going. I'll give you guys a walk around of a Z, and so on and so forth. All right, guys, it did just finish raining, so not a lot of people are at the beach. Yeah, so I guess right now, guys, we're gonna head on the beach until Logan gets here, but I'm just gonna walk by the water for a second. Got my Jesus sandals on, but it's chill. Not a lot of people out here. That's how I like it. I hate when the beach is just packed. I'm gonna get back in the Lexus. I'm gonna be all sandy, but fuck it. I mean, it is what it is. Might as well do something while my friend is taking forever. It's like I fucking get taken out by a massive ass wave, like this one right here. Oh, damn. It feels really good right now. It feels really good in the water. I'm like super tempted to go in, but you're in the wrong plaza.
Damn it! Is the one next to it?
Yeah, I said the right one. You went to the left one.
Oh, I didn't see the text.
Dude, I knew you were gonna do that. I'll tell you a little bit more about his Z when he pulls up, but it's, for the price he got it for, it's super nice. Like, I'm jealous. Whoa. Chill, bro, chill. Oh my God, bro. What a ricer. Rev it up. Oh my God. This guy's a rookie.
I'm not parking in reverse because there's something finicky with my clutch.
Logan!
What's up?
What's good, bro? It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Like 3 months or something like that.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah. Fuck, dude. I was waiting here for like 45 minutes, so I went in the water.
Oh, dang, for real?
Yeah, it's nice out there.
Looks clean though.
There's Alexa.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah,
since, I think it's the first time I've actually seen it in person.
Yeah, he's never seen the IS in person.
That's sweet.
It was funny because before he bought this car, he was, trying to buy a car, and I found this car. I found the listing, and I tried to convince him to get this one. I was like, dude, it's cheap, get it. And he's just like, nah, it sucks. And I ended up getting the sucky car, so.
No, it's actually ended up being pretty sweet.
Everybody, YouTube, this is my friend Logan.
What's up?
We went to school together. He's actually taking a different class now, but anyways, a little bit more about his Z. if you want to tell YouTube what's good with your Z, a little bit of the specs and whatnot, and I put you on the spot, sorry.
Yeah, no, you're good. It's got a Tomei catback exhaust.
Oh, it's a Tomei, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like best of the best exhaust you can get.
Yeah. Twin Nismo intakes, carbon hood, some Wurtzlin rims, but
yeah,
that's about it.
I do like these rims. They're reps, but they're clean reps.
Yeah.
I like them. Take a look at his carbon hood. He does have these cool little like hood pin strut thingies, but yeah, it's a real carbon hood, and it's cool because they actually sprayed a metallic flake in the carbon, and then they put a clear coat over it, so the whole entire paint job is like that. So super nice. It's got a lip. It's lowered on coils, right?
Yeah, coils.
Do you know what brand they are?
No.
No. Yeah, but they're on coils, so the ride, it's definitely a good ride. And yeah, he's got a little duckbill. Clean, pretty clean overall. How much did you pay, like, in total? Like,
I think it was 6,200.
6,200, and the car had like under 100K miles, right?
Yeah, currently it has about 85,000 miles on it.
Yeah, it's so guys, in the Z world, if you don't know, to find an HRZ, which this is the better version of the DE, the HR is the better motor, has more power. To find this car with that low mileage and all the, you know, tastefully mods on the car, to find that you'd pay upwards to like 8,500 to 10K. So he really got a steal. I don't know where he got this from, but
Middle of nowhere.
yeah, he got a really good deal. And I always tell him, like, if he ever sells it, like, I'm ready. Because do you want to pop the hood just so we can show them?
It's dirty as heck, but yeah, might as well.
Hit up the
Yeah, the door handle layer broke. That's the biggest problem in Z's, is the door handle always breaks.
yeah. You Z owners, you know exactly what he's talking about. That's like super common. But you got turbo under there, dog?
Not
yet? Damn, bro, it's dirty.
I know. Well, of course, I haven't necessarily cleaned the inside since I cleaned a little bit, but
do you want to give them a little startup and a little rev really fast? It's not a cold start, but here you guys go. Super good, sounds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It also came with a quick release. I love these. These are my favorite color for the 350Z
they're pretty
seats.
warm, but they're pretty small.
Yeah, I love these seats, and just basic 350 interior, but super clean, bro. For the price you paid, you got a good deal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna head out. I'm gonna put the head mount on. I'm gonna do some driving with Logan, and then when we get to Sarasota, we might do some racing. We might drive each other's cars. I don't know. Whatever this guy's down for.
Yeah.
So, with all that said, guys, I'll see you in a bit. What do you got to say, Logan? Send it?
Yeah, send it.
So basically, me and Logan, since we're driving all the way to Sarasota, we might as well get the races out of the way. So he has a 6-speed, so he has to shift. I have an automatic, so I get the upper hand there, but his car has a lot more power, so it should be a good race. We'll see. We're just gonna do a 50 roll. was the first race. I tried to get a 20 roll, but I don't think he could hear me or see me. Yeah, I might call him on the phone so we can run it again, but definitely his car was right there the whole time. It could have just been his shifting because yeah, my Lexus, I don't know, it was going though. It was a good race. All right, so what do you think? 30 roll? 40 roll, we'll do a 40.
Let's do a 40 roll, but yeah.
All right, actually when we pass these yellow signs, go, okay?
All right.
You ready? Go. My tail getting ready to kick out. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, dude, our cars are like dead even. It's all good. I know a really good spot where we can get off and we can finish the racing, okay? Okay guys, so we ran it a couple times. There was a little bit of traffic, but for the most part, they were good runs. So right now guys, me and Logan, we're gonna slide to Mexico and we're gonna finish our runs. And yeah, we're just gonna see who's top dog, but all 3 races were really good. So we're gonna run it one more time guys, and then we might switch and he might take the Lexus and I'll take the Z, and we can run it like once and see if Logan just needs to improve his shifting or if the Lexus is really that fast. I don't think the car's fast, but who knows. So we're just gonna pull off and let this traffic go by. Line up with me. On 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Dude.
Your car's pretty fast.
It is?
Yeah.
No way.
Dude, that thing, look, I had you in second, but as soon as I shift, I just lost all.
Yeah, you lost. All right. Okay guys, so the Lexus took the dubs. I did have the big upper hand. I have the automatic, he was shifting. So right now we're just gonna switch cars and see if I can actually take him in the HR. Oh, the door's broken. I forgot. Z problems. All right. Let me adjust this seat. Oh, they're powered. Come on, seatbelt. All right, right there is actually perfect. All right, hazards. Oh, almost stalled it. So right now I'm going to turn the AC off. Alright guys, I think we're gonna do a 30 roll. Let me just wait for this guy to pass us. Township was terrible. Alright, let's actually pull off right here. I'd say that was a pretty good race. You might be shifting too early because this car is really fast. I'm in the middle of the road, but yeah, guys, Logan just needs to work on his shifting a little more because this Z is super fast. Yeah, it completely gapped the IS. All right, guys, so right now we're gonna hit up a couple more spots. I'll pick up the camera once we get there, so I'll see you then. Good shit, bro.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good ad. This thing pulls, dude. This thing is nice.
See, I was shifting around like 5. I was letting go with it.
Yeah, you gotta bang it, dude.
I know.
Yeah, guys, I knew the Z was gonna be faster, but it's all good, bro. That's how I was too when I started driving manual. I was basically learning, just like he's learning, so I knew the Z was way faster, but you know, for a second I thought that the Lexus actually, you know, no, but yeah, I gapped him really bad, but it's all good.